Hello to all my subscribers that love semester at sea videos, and also hello to the ones that don't really care about semester at sea. But you see, my plan here is to make you all slowly start to fall in love with semester at sea the way that I love it, and continuing to make videos about it is my way of doing that and having that contribution in the world. So today I'm actually going to be answering a video that I got from a subscriber, and they either sent me this question on Instagram or left it in the comments of a video. I can't really remember, but they were wondering about how to vlog on semester at sea and make videos. So that's what I'm going to be talking about in this video right now. First of all, I'm going to go over some logistical things and things you need to know, and then I'll get into my tips about taking videos while on semester at sea. But first of all, let's talk about packing if you're going to be taking videos on semester at sea. You're definitely going to need a hard drive or a flash drive, but like a hard drive with a ton of storage on it. The most important thing you can do on semester at sea if you are taking photos, videos, anything like that, is to back up your photos and videos. If you don't do this, it could potentially be a disaster, not gonna lie. Actually, my roommate on semester at sea got her phone stolen while we were in Brazil, and she lost every photo she had taken up to that point because she hadn't backed them up, and she asked all of us to send her some, but she clearly couldn't get all of the ones back that she had taken herself. I think maybe 30 people on our ship lost their phones or broke them while on the voyage, and that's not very good odds. So please, please, please back up your photos and videos so you don't lose them. This tip also goes for if you have a physical camera and not just your phone, because that could get stolen or broken as well. But also, sometimes on the ship, the vibration of the ship messes with your electronics. Like, a lot of people had their laptops kind of not work very well, and they had to go to our IT person who helps with technology, who is stationed in the library, so he could help them out, because apparently the vibrations of the ship just do weird things to the insides of your computers, and sometimes those don't work either. So actually, a lot of the professors on the ship recommend you back up your documents as well and any essay you write onto a hard drive or flash drive, just so you can have it in case something happens to your electronics. So just so you know, that is something you need to pack: a flash drive or a hard drive. The second logistical thing you need to know about making videos about semester at sea while on semester at sea is that the Wi-Fi is so bad, and you honestly cannot make videos or upload them while you're on the ship. It's just impossible unless you pay for a Wi-Fi package, and even then I don't think you'd have enough. Like, first of all, the students don't really ever buy the Wi-Fi packages, and if you did, I feel like it's enough to like browse the internet or like use social media, but it's not gonna be enough to upload like a 1 gigabyte video. Like, that's gonna take so long and just suck up all the data that you paid for. So you're not gonna be able to upload videos on the ship very easily. There are some workarounds that we will get to, but that is just something you need to keep in mind right away in case you think you're gonna be like uploading videos every week. It's probably not gonna work out like that. However, the good news is you can probably still edit pictures or videos on the ship if you can get them from your camera to your computer with an SD card or something, because most video editing apps that you have on your computer downloaded don't need Wi-Fi because they're downloaded onto your computer already, and you can just save them onto your computer. So you can probably edit videos ahead of time. It'll just be harder to post them. One option that you do have, however, if you're trying to post videos while at sea, or not necessarily at sea, but like on semester at sea, is once you get to a country, going to a cafe that has internet, or staying at a hotel that has internet, or a hostel, and using their internet to do the big things you need to do, like uploading a video to YouTube or something like that. So if you were planning to go to a cafe right when you got to a country anyway to get like breakfast and to like research your travel options, you can go there, use their Wi-Fi, and upload a video and stay there for an hour or two and drink coffee and get some new pastries that you've never tried before in that country, and that could work. But my best advice, I think, is to stay in a hostel or hotel that has Wi-Fi included in the price, because then you can upload things while you're sleeping, because sometimes uploading videos takes honestly a very long time. So staying somewhere that has Wi-Fi available for you while you're on land is a very good idea. But just so you know, do not get your hopes up. Sometimes the Wi-Fi, even in hotels or hostels, is not very strong, not very good, and you might not be able to upload a video. So if you've like promised your followers, your subscribers, that you'll be uploading vlogs from the ship like every 2 weeks or something, it might not be possible, and you might just have to hit them with all the stuff when you get home, and there's not very much you can do about it. You can try your best to find some workarounds and leave advice in the comments below for other people of ideas, of course, but you might just come home with all that great footage and have to figure things out once you're back in the country that you're from. So now let's get to my tips about actually like making the videos and getting the content and all of that good stuff. So my first tip is that anytime you're stopping to take a photo of something like a beautiful landscape or a city street in a new country that you're in, then you may as well take a panoramic video at the same time. Like, take your photo and then automatically take a video, because if it's a good photo, it's going to be good video footage as well. And I've never heard someone say after semester at sea, like, ugh, I wish I'd taken less photos, or like, I wish I hadn't documented this wonderful time. Everyone just wishes that they had more photos to show their friends and family, and more videos would be even better, because you can really show the country that you're in through a video. So just take as much as possible, as long as it's not distracting for you or like slowing down the group. But like, try to get just some good videos along the way every single day that you're in the country. My next little piece of advice about vlogging and taking videos while you're on semester at sea is to get some B-roll shots. This could be the rolling waves, or like the sun setting, or like the trees waving while you're on land, or just like your feet walking on the cobblestones. It's always good to have some in-between shots when you're editing, so if you don't like something that's showing but you like the voice under it, if that makes sense, and you need to cover it up with a different video, you can do that. Or if you just need some like transition shots, it's always good to have some standard B-roll footage that you can use for that kind of editing. Another fun thing you can do with videos on semester at sea is time lapses, and I wish I had done more of this, because there's beautiful, beautiful sunsets every single night, and sunrises every morning. Honestly, if you want to get it for those too, go for it. But I think it'd be really cool to have some footage of time lapses of the sun setting on the ocean. It'd just be so beautiful, or like time lapses of like students walking around on the ship or on the pool deck, that kind of stuff. So that is definitely something that I wish I had taken advantage of while I was on semester at sea. And then one more tip about taking videos on semester at sea is to have someone else film for you every once in a while. If you're always the one filming, you're not going to be in the shots, and that's not as fun, unless you're taking like a selfie kind of thing, like a vlog. But if you're just like walking around with your friends, you're not going to be in the shots, and that's really too bad, because you're going to look back on it and like, of course, see your friends. But you want to see yourself having fun too. So you can always ask one of your friends to film for a little bit, or just like film you walking down a street so you can have that footage, or like film you like jumping off a cliff into the ocean, like that kind of thing. You want to be in the videos as well, so be sure to take advantage of your friends being willing to film things for you. And that sums up this video about how to take videos on semester at sea and how to vlog and all of that. If you have any more questions, please leave them in the comments down below. And if you take any wonderful videos on semester at sea, be sure to tag me so I can see them. I would love to see all of your adventures. And I hope that you found something helpful in this video. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.